अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Today, inshallah, we will do the exercise, lesson number 5, Durusul Lughatul Arabiya, book number 2. Last week we have learned the lesson, so today we will do the exercise. We have to answer the following questions according to the lesson. What we have learned in the lesson, we have to give the answers according to the lesson. Aina zahabat tulabul jududu, where the students went, where the new students went. Please, when you enter the class, you can switch off your mics. There is a setting in the mic in the Zoom, so it is very easy to switch off your mics. Aina zahabat tulabul jadudu, where did the new students go? Where did the new students go? Okay, so zahabu, they went. Zahabu ilal mudiri, zahabu ilal mudiri, they went to the principal, they went to the headmaster. Next is Afahimma Talhatu Darsa, did Talha understand the lesson? Did Talha understand the lesson? Its answer is Naam. Fahimahu Jayidan. Fahimahu Jayidan. He understood well. Yes, he understood well. Fahimahu Jayidan. Ayya suratin hafiza Ibrahimu. Ibrahim, which surah Ibrahim memorized? Which surah Ibrahim memorized? Hafiza Surat al-Fajri. Hafiza Surat al-Fajri wa Surat al-Tini. Hafiza Surat al-Fajri wa Surat al-Tini. Man fatahan nawafiza. Who opened the windows? Who opened the windows? Okay. Fatahtuha. Fata'aha Aliyun. Fata'aha Aliyun. Fata'aha. Fata'aha Aliyun. Ali opened them. Ali opened them. And this is the, we simply have to answer right or wrong. If the statement is correct, we have to put the right sign. And if the statement is incorrect, then we have to put there the cross sign. Fataha Ali Yunil Fasla. Fataha Ali Yunil Fasla. Ali opened the class. Ali opened the class. So this is wrong statement. This is wrong. Ali did not open the class. Maharaja Zakaria wa Hamzatu wa Usmana min Makkah. Zakaria, Hamza and Usman did not return from Makkah. So this is true. They did not return from Makkah. Ma kataba Faisalunil ajwibata li'annahum ma fahimal as'ilata. Faisal did not write the answers. Faisal did not write the answers because he did not understand the questions. So this is true. Ma kataba Faisalun al-ajwibata li'anna kalamahu maksurun. The Faisal did not write the answers because his pen was broken. Because his pen was broken. So this is wrong. His pen was not broken. He did not understand the lesson. So that's why he did not write the answers. So here you note what we have learned in the last 2-3 days. Learn about the file and the maf'ul bihi. Here we will learn about the file and maf'ul bihi. File is subject and maf'ul bihi is object. Al-Qur'anu. Qara'at talibu. Qara'at talibu. So qara'a is fail. Qara'a is fail. Who read? The student read. The student read. So at-talibu is maf'ul. It is subject. That at-talibu is subject here. Al-file. Al-filu. At-talibu is subject here. Al-filu. And the work of reading. The work of reading is done on the Al-Quran. The Al-Quran is being read by the students. So target of the action is Al-Quran. Al-Quranu. This is Al-Quranu. Because it is target of the action and it is maf'ul bihi. So maf'ul bihi is mansub. Maf'ul bihi is mansub. Because it is mansub, so it take fatha. Al-Qur'ana. Object or maf'ul bihi is mansub, and because of being mansub, it take kasra. And the file, subject always marfu. Subject is always marfu. At-talibu. You see at-talibu, it is marfu, have a fatha. At-talibu. So qara'a, this is fail. The next is shariba. Shariba, this is fail. Shariba is fail. Shariba is fail. Who is drinking? Shariba means drink. Who drinking? Who drank? Ad-daifu. Ad-daifu. The doer of drink is ad-daifu. The guest. Ad-daifu, the guest. And what is being drunk? Al-qahwatu is being drunk. So the work of shariba is being done on al-qahwa. So target of the verb or target of the fail is al-qahwa. So al-qahwa is mansoob here. It is mansoob because it is maf'ul bihi. It is maf'ul bihi. So it will take fatha ending. Al-qahwata. Al-qahwatu. You see here al-qahwatu. See this ending. Al-qahwatu. Al-qahwatu change into al-qahwata. And same with the next example. The next example, kataba. Kataba is a verb, is a fail. Kataba is fail. Who is writing? Kataba means he wrote. Kataba, he wrote. Who wrote? Al-Mudarrisu is wrote. The teacher is the one who wrote. What wrote? Ad-darsa, the lesson. The lesson is being written. The lesson is being written. So the work of written is being done on darsa. So darsa is maf'ul bihi, object. Darsa is maf'ul bihi. Darsa is maf'ul bihi. Al-qahwata is maf'ul bihi. Al-qahwata is maf'ul bihi. Kataba is fail. Al-mudarris is file. Ad-darsa is maf'ul bihi, object. And this is, we have learned that the object is mansub. Al-babu. Al-babu, this is marfu. You see here, it is in nominative case. It is in nominative case, marfu. Fatahat Aminatul Baba. Fatahat Aminatul Baba. Amina opened the door. Amina opened the door. So Fatahat. Fatahat is file here. Fatahat is file here. And who opened? Amina opened. Amina opened. So Amina is file here. Amina is file. Fataha is fail. And Al Baba is opened. So it is maf'ul bihi. Al Baba is opened. So it is maf'ul bihi. Al Baba is maf'ul bihi. Al Qur'ana, Al Kahwata is maf'ul bihi. Al Darsa is maf'ul bihi, like the Al Qur'ana. And Kataba is fail. Kata is fail like Qara'a. Shariba. Shariba is fail. Shariba is fail. Fatahat is fail. Fatahat is also fail. Talibun. At-talibu is file. Al-mudarrisu is file also. Ad-difu is also file. And Aminatu is file. So these are the file, subject, and these are the object there. Okay, the next question, we will follow what we just now learned, and we will read and write here, and we will mention the where is the verb, where is the file, and where is the object or maf'ul bihi. Verb we call it fail, subject we call it file, and object we call it maf'ul bihi. Write the file in blue and the maf'ul bihi in red, and the following sentences, and vocalize the last letter in both of them. So who of you will read and who of you will mention where is the verb and where is the file and where is the maf'ul bihi? Who of you is willing to do this question? Okay, Bint Ibrahim.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, sir.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Number 1, sir, kasarat tiflul qalama. Kasara is the verb, tiflu is the subject, and kalama is the object.
Okay. Kasarat tiflul qalama. Kasarat tiflul qalama. Okay.
Yes,
Next.
sir. Kasarat tiflul qalama. Yes, sir. Number 2, ghasalat aminatul mindila. Amina washed the handkerchief. Ghasalat is the verb, aminatu is the file, and mindila is the maf'ul bihi.
Al-Mandila.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Number 3 is akala usamatul inabi wa akalat zawjata zawjatuhul mawza. Usama ate the grapes and her wife ate the bananas. Yes, sir. Akala is the fail. Usamatu file. Inaba maf'ul bih. Wa akalat is the fail. Zawjatuhu. Yes, sir. Zawjatuhu is the file, and mauza maf'ul.
Maf'ul bihi.
Bih.
Mawza maf'ul bihi
Yes.
object.
Yes, sir. Maf'ul bihi.
Akala is fail. Akala is fail. Usama is file. Usamatu. Akala
Yes, sir.
Usamatu tul inaba. Inaba is maf'ul bihi object, so it is mansoob here. Wa akalta
Yes, sir.
zawjatuhu hul mauza. So al mauza is mansoob
Object.
bihi,
Maf'ul bihi.
is
Yes.
mansoob and is maf'ul bihi. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So number 4 is
Zawjatu is file. Zawjatu is file here.
yes, sir. Zawjatuhu is the file and mauza is the maf'ul bihi. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Number 4 is the sharibatil baqaratul ma'a. The cow drank the water. Sharibati fail. Baqaratu file. Ma'a maf'ul bihi.
Okay. So
Yes.
shariba is fail. Sharibatil baqaratu. Sharibatil baqaratu.
Yes, sir.
Baqaratu is file and al
Yes, sir.
ma'a is maf'ul bihi. Okay.
Yes, sir. Number 5 is the Hafiza Hamzatul Qur'ana. Hafiza, sir, Hamza remember the Quran. Hafiza is the verb or fail. Hamzatu file. Al Qur'ana maf'ul bihi.
Al Qur'ana. Hafiza Hamzatul Qur'ana. Hamza memorized the Quran. Hamza memorized the Quran.
The Quran, yes, sir.
Okay.
Number 6 is the Zarabat Fatimatu bintuha. Fatima hit her daughter. Sir, Zorabat is the fail and Fatimatu is the file. Bintaha or bintuha?
Bintuha.
Sir, yes, sir. Bintuha. It's maf'ul bihi. Yes, sir.
Binta is, it will be binta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bintaha. Yes, sir. Maf'ul bihi. Yes, sir.
Bintaha.
Yes, sir.
Fa-
Number
Zaraba
7.
is file. Fatima hit his daughter. So
Daughter, yes.
Darba fail, Fatima file, and Binta is maf'ul bihi.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Number 7 is sir, Katala Rajulul Hayyata bil Hajari. The man killed the snake with stone. With the stone. Yes, sir. Sir, Katala is the fail. Ar-Rajulu is the file. Al-Hayyata is the maf'ul bihi.
Al Hayyata. Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Next, sir, 8th hai. 8th, Samia Bilalul Adhana wa Zahaba ilal masjidi. The Bilal sound the Adhan and he went to the masjid.
Sama'a
Yes.
Bilalun. Sami'a Bilalun nil azana. Sami'a Bilalu nil azana.
Nil Adhana. Yes, sir. Wa Zahaba ilal masjidi. Bilal sound the Adhan and he went to the masjid.
Bilal listened the azan. Bilal
Yes,
listened
listened.
the azan. Okay.
Yes, sir. Bilal listened the azan and he went to the mosque. Yes, sir. Samia is the verb. Bilalun is the file. Azana is the maf'ul bihi. Wa dhahaba is the verb. Yes, sir.
Okay. Katabal Mudarri.
Yes, sir. Katabal mudarrisu darsa ala saburati. Kataba is the fail. Al mudarrisu is the file. And sir, darsa is the maf'ul bihi. The teacher wrote the lesson on the board. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Number 10th है فتح البقال الدكان في الساعة الثامنة. Sir, I am not able to translate this sentence. Kindly help me.
Fatahal baqalu dukkana fi saati saminati. The grocer opened the shop at 8 o'clock. The
Yes, sir.
grocer,
Bakala grocery. Yes.
the grocer opened shop at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Yes, sir. Sir, fataha is the verb and bakalu is the file and dukkana is the maf'ul bihi.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is
Yes, sir.
next is we have to fill in the blanks. Man fataha with the some proper letters. We have to fill in the blanks with some suitable words and vocalize their last two letters, and we have to vocalize them. We have to read them. So who of you will do this one? Okay. Fazadana.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Man fataha al-bab.
Man fataha?
Al-bab.
Man
Al-bab.
fataha al-baba.
Man fataha al-baba.
Who opened the door?
No.
Okay.
Gassalat ukhti al-malabis.
Okay.
Gassaltu ukhti al-malabis. My
Fasalat
sister washed the clothes.
fasalat ukhtil malabisa.
Ukhti
Ukhtil
malabis. No.
malabisa. Malabisa.
My sister washed the clothes.
So malabisa will be maful bihi. That will be mansub.
Maful bihi mansub. No.
Okay. Next.
الرجل ذهب بأسره. Is this question? No, not question.
Qatalar rajulul hayyata bil asa. Qatalar
قتل الرجل
rajulul hayyata bil asa. The
قتل الرجل
man killed
the man killed
the
Aya stone with stone.
okay. Qatalar rajulul hayyata bil asa. The man killed the snake with stick.
With
Bil
the
asa,
stone.
with
Stick.
okay. Qatalar rajulul hayyata bil asa. The man killed the snake with snake. So with stick. So hayyata is mafhul bihi. Hayyata is mafhul bihi here. Next is Yusuful qahwata. Yusuful qahwata. Okay. Sharibu Yusuful qahwata. Sharibu is fail. Yusufu is file, and al qahwata is mafhul bihi. Qatabal mudarrisu. Qatabal mudarrisu darsa. Qatabal mudarrisu darsa ala saburati. The teacher wrote the lesson on the board. The teacher wrote the lesson on the board. So it will be Katabal Mudarrisu darsa. Okay. Suadul khubza. Suadul khubza. So akalat. Akalat suadul khubza. Akalat suadul khubza. The suad eat the bread, ate the bread. Suad ate the bread. Khubza is maf'ul bihi, object here. Suad is file here. Akalat is verb here. Akalat suadul khubza, suad at the bread. Qara'atu, I read. Qara'atu, I read. What I read? Qara'atul Qur'ana, I read the Quran. Qara'atul Qur'ana, I read the Quran. So qara'a is fail, tu is file here. Tu is file here. This tu is subject here. Qara'atul Qur'ana, al-Qur'ana will be maf'ul bihi. Qara'atul Qur'ana, I read the Holy Quran. Qara is fail, tu is file, and al-Qur'ana is maf'ul bihi, object. As al-azana ya hamzata. Asmetal azana. Asmetal azana ya hamzata. Asmetal azana ya hamzata. Did you hear the azan? Did you hear the azan, O Hamza? So al-azana is maf'ul bihi. Al-azana is object here. Okay, and Hamza is file here. And Sameta is verb here. Next is Fatahat Tajirud Dukana. Fatahat Tajirud Dukana. The merchant opened the shop. The merchant opened the shop. So Fataha is verb, at-tajiru is file, and ad-dukana is maf'ul bihi. Ad-dukana is maf'ul bihi. The shop is being opened. Okay, the next is at-tulabu min al-fasli. Kharajat tulabu. Kharajat tulabu min al-fasli. So kharaja is verb here. It is fail here. At-tulabu is file. At-tulabu is file. Min al-fasli, from the class. Okay. Next is use each of the following word in a sentence as maf'ul bihi and vocalize the letters. We have to make sentences. We have to make sentences and we have to use al-Qur'ana, al-Qahwata, at-Tufahu, al-Babu, ad-Darsu, al-Qamizu. We have to use them as a maf'ul bihi, as an object. The first is al-Qur'ana. Al-Qur'ana, qara'a Muhammadun. Qara'a Muhammadun. Muhammadunil Qur'ana. Qara'a Muhammadunil Qur'ana. Qara'a Muhammadunil Qur'ana. Al-Qur'ana. We will say al-Qur'ana. Then next is al-Qahwa. Sharibtul Qahwata. Sharibtul Qahwata. I drank the coffee. I drank the coffee. So Sharibtul Qahwata. At-Tufahu. Akalal waladut tufaha. Akalal waladut tufaha. The boy ate the apple. At-tufahu, apple. The boy ate the apple. Al-babu. Al-babu. Man fatahal baba. Man fatahal baba. Who opened the door? So al-baba will be mansub here. Ad-darsu. Afahimtad darsa. Afahimtad darsa. Did you understand the lesson? Did you understand the lesson? Afahimtad darsa. Did you understand the lesson? al-qamisu. Ghasalat ukhtil qamisa. Ghasalat ukhtil qamisa. My sister washed my washed dresses. My sister washed my shirt. Al-qamisa, shirt. Okay, ghasalat ukhtil qamisa. So it is a qamis and it will be al-qamisa. Okay. And the next is, we have learned that in the nominal sentences, in the Jumla Ismiya, Jumla Ismiya always start with the ism. And after this Jumla Ismiya, if the ism is a plural, then we use plural form of the verb. In Jumla Ismiya, we use plural form of the verb when the mubtada is plural or when the ism is plural. When the subject is plural, file is plural, we use plural form of the verb also. At-tulabu is plural. So we will use plural form of the verb. Zahabu. At-tulabu zahabu. The students went. Idal mal'abi, to the restaurant. The students went to the restaurant. So same with the feminine. At-talibatu. At-talibatu zahabna. At-talibatu is file. This is subject here. This is mubtada. Nominal sentences. There are two parts of the sentences. One is the mubtada and the second is a khabar, predicate. So at-talibatu is mubtada and all the rest part of the sentence is khabar. This is all, it is khabar. At-talibatu zahbna ilal maktabati. The students went to the library. So at-talibatu is plural. We will use plural form of the verb zahabna. But in a verbal sentences, in Jumla Ismiya or Jumla Felia, if there is a Jumla Felia, we will use first form of the verb. Jumla Felia is start from the verb. It start with the verb. And we will use first form of the verb. Even though the subject is plural. At-tulabu. At-tulabu is plural. This is plural. But we will use first form of the verb. Zahabat tulabu ilal mal'abi. Zahaba tit-talibatu. Zahaba is first form of the verb. Tit-talibatu, it is subject, it is file. With the plural feminine file, we are using first form of the verb, zahaba. So what is the difference? In a nominal sentence, Jumlatul Ismiya, we will use for the plural file, we will use plural form of the verb. And in Jumlatul Felia, we will use first form of the verb for the plural file or plural subject. So this is our lesson for today. And inshallah, tomorrow we will continue. And tomorrow we will finish this lesson, inshallah. So any of you have any question, you can WhatsApp me. Ila liqa'i ma'as-salama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.